Electricity bill savers like Power Grid Pro are everywhere online, and they usually claim to reduce power consumption with a little plug-in device. But the big question is, does Power Grid Pro actually save you money, or is it just clever marketing? Let's break it down. So the Power Grid Pro is marketed as an energy optimization tool that supposedly improves power factor, reduces waste, stabilizes voltage, and lowers your monthly electricity bill, all by plugging it into an outlet. Some sellers even hint at consistent savings without changing your habits. Sounds appealing, but let's look at what's real. Here's the reality. In commercial and industrial settings, power factor correction devices can improve efficiency and reduce utility penalties. For typical household bills, most homes aren't charged based on power factor, and plugging in a small box doesn't magically cut your kilowatt hour use or lower your meter reading. Main consumer meters measure actual electricity consumed, not theoretical inefficiencies. So a device like this cannot reduce what your appliances actually use. Experts, including electrical engineers and utility reps, generally agree that plug-in energy savers do not produce measurable savings on residential bills. Independent user feedback, especially from credible forums like Reddit or utility review communities, consistently shows no noticeable drop in bills after using gadgets like this. Most users report their bills stayed the same, or any change is simply due to usage patterns or seasonal shifts, not the device. The bottom line, Power Grid Pro is not a proven way to save on your electricity bill. It doesn't reduce actual kilowatt hour consumption, and for residential users, there's no credible evidence it delivers the promised savings. If you want real bill reductions, focus on proven steps like switching to LED lighting, upgrading to energy efficient appliances, and improving insulation and thermostat control. Those will actually lower your meter reading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.